welcome back to Let's Learn Chin language. Today we are going to learn self-introduce and how to say thank you. So imagine that you have to meet someone that you never have met him before. So in this occasion you will have to say hi. Kaya kami to Chantang kasi. Hello, hi, my name is Chantang. Hakka in Arami kasi. I come from Hakka. I am from Hakka. Glad to see you here. Kanhutun sa kalom. Kanhutun sa kalom. Yes, that's right. So once again, hi. Kaya kami to Chantang kasi. Hi, my name is Chantang. Hakka in Arami kasi. I am from Hakka. I come from Hakka. Kanhutun sa kalom. Glad to see you here. Nice to meet you here. So, and next topic, how to say thank you. Kalom, thank you. Kalom, kalom, thank you. Kalom, thank you so much. Kalom tuk, kalom tuk, kalom tuk. Yeah. So this is for today, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. So, see you.